Welcome to the Sleep Stories channel by UZZ. I am delighted to share a new story with you. Before we begin, please take a deep breath and relax your body. Then, find the most comfortable position for yourself and get ready to soar into the universe of stories. Mr. Lion, young and proud, lived in a vast kingdom. He had everything: strength, respect, and a loving family. Yet, over time, he felt confined by the boundaries of his life, burdened by his family's care and advice, and yearned to explore the unknown world to experience true freedom. One morning, he decided to leave, leaving behind only a brief farewell letter and embarking on a journey to find himself. Mr. Lion wandered the vast plains, admiring the beauty of nature until he arrived at a beautiful lake. There, he met a distinctive Miss Tiger, who was joyfully leaping with a long dandelion in her hand, letting the dandelion fluff drift in the wind. Mr. Lion was attracted by her cheerfulness, approached to greet her, and inquired about her actions. Miss Tiger told him she was looking for the lucky dandelion, a magical plant that could grant wishes. Mr. Lion was captivated by the idea, and they decided to search for this legendary dandelion together. Following the guidance of the dandelion fluff, they traversed plains and forests, supporting each other along the way, and gradually, friendship blossomed between them. After a long search, they finally found that special dandelion in a lush green meadow. It was much taller than ordinary dandelions, with fluff that shimmered in golden light. At dusk, they made a wish together, hoping to find their own freedom and happiness. Soon, they discovered that this dandelion was no ordinary plant. The light and energy it released made their wishes come true. Mr. Lion found himself deeply attracted to Miss Tiger, who also harbored a pursuit of freedom and happiness in her heart. On that beautiful night, their souls connected, realizing that true freedom was not just about physical release, but also about the connection of their spirits. From that moment, Mr. Lion and Miss Tiger decided to live together, finding true freedom and happiness in each other's company. Their story spread throughout the town, becoming a beautiful tale. They understood that the lucky dandelion was just the beginning of their story. What truly bonded them was the inseparable emotions and shared love for life between them.